Hello, welcome back to the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video is mini system test 2. Yeah, we have the same panel, same smoke detector. I just switched out the pull station and the horn strobe. Let's just get right into it, but before I pull the pull station, don't put fire alarms in real buildings, and if you're sensitive to strobe lights, do not watch this video. 3, 2, 1. So that's very loud. And now I'll just test, or magnet test the 2151. That's good now. Alright, well, I guess that's everything I have for this short video, apparently. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.